going green. These 3 beauty products you should replace first. So you want to clean your skincare routine, your beauty routine, but you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed. That's okay. Just as a green, start, like you can go step by step, and then it's like something you maintain, and you feel good about that. So there's like, you can take away some things that are bad. I'm going to talk about it, and then add good things, but you can do it in steps. So the first products that I say, like, ban, don't even give it to anybody, just throw it. Any kind of perfumes. Behind the simple word of fragrance, there are like 200 chemical products that are just bad. Some problems caused by this perfume, by this fragrance, can be headache, dizziness, hyperpigmentation, very intense coughing, vomiting, and skin irritation. Synthetic fragrance are made to kind of mimic the scent of vanilla, wildflower, or spice, but they just don't not being made from the real thing most of the time. And plus, it's something that people put on themselves almost every day, and some people multiple times during the days, and just the ingredients are so bad for your health, and they go directly to your bloodstream. So you can search even better, but ditch the perfume. You can use aromatherapy. Essential oils are beautiful, or just enjoy your natural smell. How about that? For me, I just can't take perfume. Like, if I go in an elevator and somebody is like heavy perfume, I will have to step out. I can't go in an Uber with like someone that smells so strong. I will take another car. Seriously, I feel it so bad, I cannot inhale it next to me. The second thing, face creams. So the creams that you put on your skin, they all, about 66% go inside your bloodstream. So the list of chemicals and bad ingredients is just countless. Things like paraben, that uses as preservative for a long shelf life, that just layer on the skin and just trap, the skin cannot breathe and cannot receive anything, and at the same time it stops toxins and waste from leaving the skin. All these paraben causing like tumors in the bodies, and a lot of, like, from cancer to eczema to bad breathing conditions, and there's just no need. There are ingredients that are natural preservative. I use them, for example, in all pure face creams. So the first one was to change is your perfume, to ditch. The second one is to change your face cream, and the third one is your deodorant. So the most active and effective ingredient in regular deodorant is aluminium, and there's a strong link between aluminium and breast cancer. It's used in deodorants to block the pores of the skin and preventing toxins from getting outside, and then the toxin go to the closest fat tissue, which is the breast, for men and women. And there's also a link to Alzheimer. So there are natural deodorant, like the one of Pure, it's unisex, and there are a lot of options. So, I'm always happy to advise and support, but this is just 3 little steps that you can do today. Ditch your perfumes, change your face cream, and change your deodorant. It's